Hello friends, my name is Haley Hunt and I'm with Nyhouse Education Center. If you aren't familiar with Nyhouse, our mission is literacy success for all. We are here to give you some strategies so that all kids continue to learn and grow. Let's talk about writing. Oftentimes students are reluctant to write. It is too hard, too overwhelming, or just too boring for them. But there are things we can do to help our kids become confident and successful writers. One of these things is using writing frames to write paragraphs. These frames are basically a blueprint for the paragraph that will help students brainstorm ideas and structure their writing in a logical way. One thing to remember is that while language involves listening, speaking, reading, and writing, the foundation for all written language is oral language. Have you ever heard the saying, if they can't say it, they can't write it? Basically, kids might need to be able to orally rehearse or think about and practice what they want to write out loud before they write it. So if a child is struggling with writing, let them try saying out loud what they want to write first. So let's get into our writing. In this video, we'll discuss writing a descriptive paragraph. A descriptive paragraph describes an object, and the writing frame for this paragraph leads students to think about all aspects of an object. It's best to have the actual item for the student to look at and touch while they write, but at a minimum, they need a picture of the object. Some examples of objects students could write a descriptive paragraph about are a pair of sneakers, a car, a tree in the backyard, or the family pet. So for this example, I will write about this beautiful lemon. So here is our paragraph frame for a descriptive paragraph. The first sentence of the paragraph will state the name and category of the object. So this is a lemon, it's a citrus fruit. The second sentence is where students state the function, use, or purpose of the object. This lemon is squeezed for lemonade, and in my house, its purpose is also to add flavor to meals like pasta and chicken. Next, for the third and fourth sentences, students will use attributes to talk about the object. So this could be color, size, texture, taste, smell, shape, or any other attribute. This lemon could be described as bright, juicy, round, and tart. In the fifth sentence, students will make a comparison to another object with a simile or metaphor. Remember, a simile compares to objects using like or as, while a metaphor compares to objects without saying like or as. So I could say, this lemon is as tart as candy or as bright as the sun. The last sentence will close out the paragraph with a statement of fact or opinion. Your kids could do some research about their object, state what they already know, or give their feelings about the object. So for my lemon, I could close with lemons are the most useful fruit, or I love to drink fresh squeezed lemonade in the summer, or lemons are rich in vitamins and minerals. So putting all of these sentences together, my descriptive paragraph about a lemon might sound like this. Lemons are delicious citrus fruits. They can be squeezed for lemonade or added to other meals for flavor. Lemons are bright and round. Lemons taste tart and are juicy. Lemons are as yellow as the sun. Fresh squeezed lemonade is my favorite refreshing drink. And there you have it. After students write their sentences, they can edit their writing. Kids can publish their writing by illustrating their paragraph or finding images from the internet to accompany their writing. They can share their descriptive paragraph with family and friends. Your kids will be more motivated to write if they can choose their own topic. Remember, it might be beneficial to have kids talk aloud about the sentences they're going to write in their descriptive paragraph before they actually write them. And if your child is not yet writing on their own, you can be their scribe for this paragraph. Check back here for more strategies and go to www.nyhouse.org to find out more about what we do. Take care, everyone.